So today's adventure is...
We're going to the largest IKEA in the whole entire world. IKEA up there.
Yay. I thought it would be just this whole building would be IKEA, not like second floor.
That
So,
is wild, huh?
right? Wait, did we have breakfast yet?
No, I'm sorry.
We did
They
not.
have breakfast here.
They have Swedish bites. No, that's pastries.
Swedish bites.
Pastries?
What's
Do they? Oh, they do. Did you want to eat here? Isn't there like a bigger food hall? Main hall? Main mall? Oh, main mall. Oh, I think that's to the Mall of Asia.
Yeah, that's to the main mall.
Oh. I thought that... Well, we can eat here if you want.
You would think they're.
Did you want to keep walking around or you want to eat here? Okay, we can eat here. We'll be back. So we're not eating here. We're looking for the main mall. Huh? No, it's fine. Oh, I wonder if you could sit there, huh? Swedish cafe. What's over here? Oh, they have sandwiches. They have pastries. What do you think? Keep going? Or do you want to look at that directory down there? Oh, right here. Swedish cafe, Swedish food market. Ready? Food market. Oh, it's right here. So they have, this is the bakery, I guess, or something, right? Oh, Swedish cafe, yeah. Swedish cafe. Cats. Wait. Okay, is this it?
And then
The videos I've seen were like a big, like it looked like a big cafeteria looking thing. Chicken bucket, potato curly fries, meatball. Or maybe they changed it because it was years ago. So if I were to get something though, well, I always hear stuff about the meatballs.
Get the 4-piece meatballs.
Meatball, curly fry, and maybe I don't know. So we didn't get food yet, but this is the bakery. Cream cheese, garlic bun, ooh. I think that's too much butter for me. Remember, I think it has the same texture like last time, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Felt weird, but yeah, red velvet crinkle cookies, ube crinkles, chocolate crinkles, apple cake. Oh, there's a lot of floss, huh?
Yeah,
I've never had that until here. Okay, you want to look at the bistro? Or I mean the main.
restaurant.
Yeah, or it's just like snacks and stuff. And Coke and water. Okay. How do we get there? So I think you gotta take the elevator over here. So there's multiple places where you can get food. There's one downstairs, which is very small. The next floor, well, downstairs was considered the second floor. This is the third floor, right?
Yes.
Third floor, they have a small little food. It's bigger than that, bigger than the bottom floor. It just keeps getting bigger the higher you go up, basically. It's on the other side where we came from. Remember the escalator?
Yeah.
Or the stairs we came from here?
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. We did come from here.
Yeah.
Then it's escalator. Do you want to take the escalator or
No.
elevators?
We can take the escalator. We can take the escalator. It's more fun than the elevator. You feel?
Yeah, I feel.
Okay. It's you. Look at this. Who did this? All right, where's the food court at? ATM, baby care, Swedish restaurant up there. Here it is. This is it.
Look.
I know you can't. Ow, ow.
You can pronounce that.
Come on, come on, come on. Where do we walk? Oh, bathrooms. I'll be safe. Okay, this is what it looked like. I told you.
You said it was. You didn't trust me last before.
I did trust you. So these are the food. They have drinks here, sparkling water. Line starts here. Oh, you gotta get one of these things. You want to share? Do you want to grab one for me? We'll use on the same thing because we're not gonna get a lot.
I might get a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
I might get a lot.
You think? No, I'm not gonna get a lot because we're eating a buffet later. So. Huh. Mushroom soup, chicken wings, barbecue pork ribs, Swedish meatball, marinated salmon. I'm just gonna get one thing. I'm not gonna get a lot. I'll just take a bite out of everything you get.
Okay.
So what is this?
No idea.
Almond cake with this. I'll get the meatball.
Swedish meatball.
Any of those? Chicken empanada, fried pork, turon. Oh no, I'm good. My stomach is still messed up. I'm not trying to eat too much. That's why. Oh, should we get? I'm gonna get. Want to get soda? H2O, water. I'll get water too, please. Salamat po. No, there's nothing down there, huh? I guess it used to be more, maybe. Champrado. Where do we go? Oh, we pay right here. This is where you get the forks and spoons and knives. Let's go somewhere, away from everybody. A corner. Kitchen stuff, kitchenware. $7,000. It looks like it's so much, huh? I mean, that is a lot, but it just, yeah. Did you want to look inside there? Or?
Something catches my eye,
This is recording, by the way. Kitchen stuff, you want to look here? Oh. Oh, black looks cool. I don't know if I've seen black. Look at that, it's Filipino food. Isn't it? I think it is. It's cool. Yeah. So is this IKEA? So the first floor First floor is the what do you call it? That tiny food court. That's part of IKEA. Second floor is like where you pay. There's like a checkout and a bakery and a like two food places, right? But they're small. And a third floor, or was it fourth? No, the fourth floor was a big cafeteria. And then this is the fourth floor that we're on.
I want to recreate this wall. A Star and Carrie.
Or of cats that you've seen. No, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Look at that. He's almost like Star. No, Star's hair is longer.
He's almost like Star.
No, Star is like luxurious looking, I'm telling you. Star looks like this. We went and started walking?
Here?
Yeah. Let's just say 12. Even though it's been longer than 12. Let's see how long it takes us to walk this whole thing. This display actually shows the outside. Have you seen it at IKEA? Usually it's just walls. We finished at 12:36. That was super small.
Maybe we just didn't see the whole thing.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We're downstairs though. Yeah. Alright, let's go downstairs. Are you gonna look for the hooks? The hooks?
It is big.
It was not that big. That was pretty fast. What time is it right now? Let's see.
12:45.
12:45. We started around 12. This is the end. We're at the bottom floor. This was the biggest IKEA in the world. It was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was pretty quick. Maybe we just didn't explore it all. We were just rushing.
Nah, we explored it all.
Really?
Yeah. That's the biggest IKEA.